Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. For example, it does not respond to your touches, the screen freeze and you have no idea what to do. You can try to force restart it, and all we have to do that is to press the power button, which is located right here on the right side, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let's try to do it. Let me press this button. Of course, we've got this restart option right here, but let's pretend we cannot tap on it and keep pressing. We've got the black screen, that's good. We've got also the vibration, we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully soft reset the device, and your device after turning off the system completely should work perfectly fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.